This is what's up, this is what's up. Everybody looking at me like I'm a fool. Everybody thinking I'm drooling, but don't you know that is the main rule of the land? So come on, man, yeah, this is it. Yo, I'm talking all about everything else except for my yapper, my chopper. Don't you know it'll stop ya in your motherfucking tracks? So go on ahead, red lights, get back, go ahead. Homeboy, this is what I said, big cause see, I'm a bald head, nigga, yo, I'm way ahead of you, so here we go, don't you know my damn crew, me and Miles and, of course, Rumpy, whatever, he'll stomp thee, so here we go, me and my homies, we getting just a little bit crazy, insane in the membrane, that's what I'm saying. My name is B.O.B. Now bomb over fucking Baghdad because another nigga just been had. Yes, indeed, I grab my grab bag and you will be had, man. 6 feet deep, I don't like that nigga. I'll put your ass 12 feet or leave you in the woods somewhere like should be done on the run. Homeboy, I got my gun, don't need it because my babe, yo, she got my back and getting it right all the time. That is something, oh lordy, all night, all day. They think that I play fuss games, not with some toys. So here we go, boys, now leave me alone. Back up, get up, what the fuck, I'll put you up. Put your ass up in the dirt. So here we go home, but not be alert of the things that I'm saying, the things I'm doing. Everybody looking at me like I'm ruining they day, but that's okay because I don't not play. Everybody looking at me saying, dude, you should stay aware, be aware of this dogs that is in the fucking yard. Great Danes and Chihuahuas biting ankles, biting necks, ripping out your jugular because that's what I wanna play with them berry. That shit right there like a bone. Here we go, nigga, leave us alone. And if I'm thinking wrong, then that's okay too, dude. If I got my crew with me, it ain't only me that you have to worry about. Homeboy, that is all night. Gigging. That's what we do in the river. Gigging. You like a motherfucking flounder. Then an old man will find your ass somewhere floating and stinking with fucking crabs on the asking the damn coroner how long that bitch been dead. And he don't understand, man, and he don't even know, dude. But that's okay, dude, because my damn crew, dude, would have your ass stinking. Don't give a fuck where at. In the woods, in the ditch, in your motherfucking car, in your house, in your bed, while giving your bitch head. Yeah, now this is what I said, giving your bitch damn head. Don't you know this is what it is, bitch? My name ain't Fred, you dead.
Damn, that shit good.
Hell yeah.
I love that now. That beat, I've always liked that beat. Ever since that come out, boy.
I wanna fucking get that shit right here, but this motherfucker ain't playing this.
You didn't record it, man.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, the red light was on.